Here's our 2019 Lexus GSF. We just added Stek Damascus paint protection to the hood. This is pretty awesome. I mean, look at it. It is amazing. I can't wait to pull it outside and let it see what it looks like in the sun and natural light. But this is under fluorescent lamps. Also, this film is infused with ceramic coating, so when we do a Stek install for you, you don't have to purchase ceramic coating to whatever parts we install, because it already has it in it. They say tested right now, it's guaranteed for about 4 years of sheeting, slickness. I mean, take a look at it. That's pretty awesome. Can't wait to see what it looks like outside, but it's a little bit rainy today, so I'll just leave it in until Monday. Just give us a shout at Dedona.com, 336-851-1300, or text us at 851-1300 if you're interested in this product. They also have it in gloss black. They have it in a true carbon fiber, and I have some here, and the carbon is really, it looks real, guys. I'm telling you, we do vinyls. We do, the vinyls, the gloss and the textured, and this stuff here looks as good as that. And that's factory carbon fiber. I put it up against it, and it looks just as good. And I'll be doing the roof in this car here shortly with that, and I'll post a video on that. If you want to come by and look at the product, we have it here at 5212 West Market Street.